Hello. In this video, we're going to go over verifying each trigonometry identity. The first step we do is remember to substitute sine and cosine for everything we see. So cosecant x will turn into 1 over sine of x plus cotangent squared of x, which is going to be cosine squared of x over sine squared of x. This will all be all over, let's get a straighter line there, 1 over sine squared of x. So that's what I mean by substituting. We substitute every value that we see that isn't sine and cosine for sine and cosine. Next, we're going to approach the numerator and see that we need a common denominator. So I'm going to multiply the denominator on the left by sine of x, because sine of x times sine of x will get us sine squared of x. Moving to the right, we see that this will become sine of x on the numerator over sine squared of x plus cosine squared of x over sine squared of x. Since they have the same denominator, we can then combine the fractions. This will then be sine of x minus cosine squared of x all over sine of x. This again will be 1 over sine squared x. If we have a fraction over a fraction, we need to remember to multiply not the denominator by the reciprocal. So we need to multiply top and bottom by sine squared of x. Once we do that, we see these two will fully cancel. And over here, sine squared of x will cancel with sine squared of x. One's on the denominator, one's on the numerator. Then we can rewrite our answer, sine of x plus, this is a plus sign, plus cosine squared of x. And that is our identity on the right side. Let's look at number 7. Number 7, we're going to do the same step. Cosine of x times 1 over sine squared of x times sine squared of x over cosine squared of x. We can see immediately that these two will cancel. Under further observation, we can see this is over 1. This will cancel with one of these cosine of x's, leaving just one left. So we can rewrite 1 over cosine of x, and that is what we have on the right side. And thus, we have verified each identity. If you have any more questions or want other questions for a video, please just send me an email. Other than that, hope everyone has a great day.